So good afternoon, everyone. We have discussed practice set 33 and 34 yesterday. Today we are going to learn about practice set 35, that is multiplication of algebraic expressions. So how to multiply this algebraic expression we'll do. Okay. Now here question number 1, multiply. Okay, multiply. So 16xy into 18xy. 16xy into 18xy. Dhananjay, please mute yourself. 16xy into 18xy. 16xy into 18xy. Whenever multiplication sums are there, or whenever multiplication sums will be there, so what we have to do, first multiply numbers. This rule you have to keep in your mind, that whenever multiplication sums are there, what you are going to do, you'll first multiply numbers, and then variables. Yesterday only I have told you that whatever the alphabets are there, A to Z, whatever the alphabets are there, in mathematics we call it as variables. In mathematics we call it as variables. Okay. So 16xy into 18xy, in this case we will first do multiplication of numbers. So in this algebraic expression, the number is 16, right? Number is 16, and in this the number is 18, right? So first do multiplication of numbers. So now 16 get multiplied with 18, 16 get multiplied with 18, and then multiply variables. So in this case, variables are what? XY. So we will write here XY. Okay. In 18xy also the variables are what? XY. So we'll write here XY. Okay. Now if we do multiplication of 16 into 18, 16 into 18, okay. If I want to multiply numbers 16 into 18, so when we do multiplication of 16 into 18, what the answer will get? 288, 288. When we multiply this number 16 into 18, will get the answer, that is 288. Now multiply variables. So when we multiply this x into x, so what the answer is? X multiplied by x is nothing but x square. When we multiply this y with y, then we'll get the answer y square, right? Y into y means what? Y square. When we multiply any variable with the same variable, okay, so the power get increased. Okay, here the power is 1 only. On x, no power is there. That means it is 1 only. In this case also, no power is there. That means it is 1 only. So when we multiply this x into x, so the answer will get is what? X square, right? And when we multiply this y with y, then we'll get the answer, that is y square. So whenever we do multiplication, so first multiply numbers, and then variables. So when we multiply the 16xy into 18xy, we'll first multiply the number. 16 into 18 is what? 288, right? And x into x means what? X square. Y into y means what? Y square. Very simple this sum. Okay, very simple. Because we only want to multiply numbers first, and then we will see our variables, what the variables are. So x into x means x square. Y into y means y square. So the answer is what? 288 x square y square. 288 x square y square. Okay. Understood, everyone? Okay. I'll repeat this again. Please pay attention, everyone. 16xy into 18xy, right? 16xy into 18xy. Now, in multiplication, we first multiply number. Okay, first multiply numbers and then variables. In mathematics, we call all alphabets as variables. All alphabets as variable. Mathematics में हम लोग अल्फाबेट्स नहीं बोलते ए बी ए टू जेड को. We call it as variables. We call it as variables. Now 16 into, if we first multiply numbers, now 16 into 18 is how much? 288. Now x into x means what? X square. Y into y means what? Y square. So the answer is what? 288 x square y square. Very simple, right? Very simple. Yes. Okay. Now let's do another sum. If you want to copy down it in your notebook, you can copy it. Okay. Okay. Now next sum is, okay. Now 12a plus 17b into 4c. 12a plus 17b into 4c. Now whenever bracket is there, and in bracket the numbers are like 12a plus 17b, 12a plus 17b into what? 4c, into what? 4c. So when the number is multiplied to the bracket, that means what? This number is multiplied to each and every component. Means this 4c is multiplying to 12a and this 4c is multiplying to 17b. Okay, this 4c get multiplied to 12a as well as 17b. Okay. Now जब भी ये ब्रैकेट रहेगा तो ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो नंबर रहेगा वो पूरे ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई रहेगा, राइट? तो 17a 12a plus 17b, so we cannot do like 12a plus 17b means 12 plus 17 is equal to 29ab. No, we cannot do this, like, right? Why? Because addition can be takes place only with similar variables. अगर यहाँ पे 17a है और 17a के साथ अगर 12a होता, 17a plus 12a होता, तो we can add the number that is 29 और हमारा आंसर आता था 29a. Okay. In addition, we cannot take it as a square. 17a plus 12a is 29a. Like a plus a is how much? Make this concept clear. Please pay attention, everyone. This concept is very important. Okay, when the answer question is like a plus a plus a, so the answer is what? 2a. a plus a is nothing but 2a. जब भी एक 1a सेकेंड a के साथ ऐड होगा 1a plus 1a is equal to 2a, right? Here no number is there, that means we consider it as 1. Here no number is there, that means we consider it as 1. So 1a plus 1a is equal to what? 2a. 1a plus 1a is equal to what? 2a, right? But if the question is like a into a, अगर question a plus a के जगह पे a into a होता है, so 1a into 1a is how much? A square. 1a into 1a means what? A square. Make this concept very clear that when we add the variables, so the power doesn't get increased. A plus a will never get a square, right? 1a plus 1a is equal to what? 2a, right? But when we multiply the variables, a into a is equal to what? A square. A into a is equal to what? A square. Okay. So, okay. Now a into a means what? A square. Okay. Now here, wait a minute. Let me clear my drawing first. Now here, if like this x into x, अगर यहाँ पे हमारा x y है तो हम लोग x into x कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो x into x equal to what? X square. X into x is what? X square. And y into y is how much? y into y is equal to y square. Okay, so whenever addition is there, so similar terms will be added only. Similar terms will be added only. But whenever subtraction is there, whenever multiplication is there, all the terms will get multiplied. Like this 16xy into 18xy. First we multiplied numbers and then we multiplied variables and we got the answer, right? Here addition is there, 12a plus 17b. So we cannot add 12a plus 17b directly and then multiply because the terms are different. In first term 12a is there, in second term 17b is there, right? So we cannot add the term 12a plus 17b directly. So that's why what we do, we solve these terms. We solve these terms like, wait a minute, student. Let me see your chat. Okay, understood it properly. Everyone is saying, okay, thank you very much. So 12a plus 17b is equal into 4c is there, right? Into 4c is there. So if 12a plus 17b into 4c, right? So 12a plus 17b into 12a plus 17b into what? 4c. Okay. Now this 4c get multiplied to 12a and this 4c get multiplied to 17b as well. Okay, make this concept very clear. When the bracket get multiplied to any number, that number get multiplied to each and every component of the bracket. तो ये अगर ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई है 4c, पूरे ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई है, तो that 4c will multiply to 12a first and then 17b. Okay, so let's get started this sum. Now this 4c get multiplied, sorry, this 12a get multiplied with 4c, this 12a get multiplied with 4c, this plus sign will remain as it is. ये 17b के जो आगे का plus sign है वो वैसे के वैसे रहेगा, and then 17b get multiply with 4c again. Okay, first this 4c get multiplied to this 12a and again this 4c get multiplied with 17b, right? Now 12a into 4c, first multiply numbers. Okay, so 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is what? 48. 12 into 4 is 48. And then a into c is what? AC plus 17 into 4. 17 into 4 is how much? 68. 17 into 4 is 68 and b into c is how much? BC. So the answer is what? 48 AC plus 68 BC. Yes, 48 AC plus 68 BC. I hope everyone clear this. Yes, very good, very good. Many of the student has given me answer. Okay, okay, very good students, very good. Okay, because of wait a minute, student. This 12a plus 17b into 4c, right? Now 4c get multiplied with this 12a and 4c get multiplied with this 17b. Why? Because this 4c is getting multiplied to the whole bracket. Okay, when 4c is multiplied to 12a, so first multiply numbers. 12 into 4 is 48, a into c is AC. Now this 4c get multiplied to 17b. Now again first multiply number. 17 into 4 is 68, b into c is what? BC. First multiply numbers and then variables. First multiply numbers and then variables. So the answer is 48 AC plus 68 BC. Okay, very simple, right? Very simple. Okay, now next is 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. Okay, 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. In the previous this sum, only 4c was multiplied to 12a plus 17b. तो ये 4c 12a को भी multiply हुआ, ये 4c 17b को भी multiply हुआ. Right? Now अभी the whole bracket get multiplied to another bracket. So what happened, this 9x first get multiplied to the whole bracket, and then this 7y is again getting multiplied to the whole bracket. Okay, ये 9x ये ब्रैकेट को ये ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाई है, मतलब ये 9x 4x प्लस 5y को मल्टीप्लाई है, ये 7y 4x प्लस 5y को मल्टीप्लाई है. हमारा सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन ही फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन को मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ठीक है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे 4c था वो 12a प्लस 17b को मल्टीप्लाई हुआ. नाउ अभी 9x प्लस 7y है, तो ये 9x भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा 4x प्लस 5y को, प्लस ये 7y भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा 4x प्लस 5y को. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन का, आपको 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक रहेगा. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन एवरीवन. ओके, मैं रिपीट हर एक सम 2 टाइम्स रिपीट करिए. अगर आप प्रॉपरली अटेंशन देंगे तो आपको ये सम्स इजीली समझेगा. ठीक है, सो 4x प्लस 5y इंटू 9x plus 4x plus 5y into 7y. So this 4x plus 5y get multiplied to 9x, right? And then this 4x plus 5y get multiplied to this 7y. Okay, now when this 4x plus 4x getting multiplied to 9x plus 7y plus 5y get multiplied to this 9x plus 7y. Now 4x, ये जो 4x है वो पहले 9x को मल्टीप्लाई होगा, फिर ये 4x किसको मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 7y को. मीन्स 4x into 9x plus 4x into 7y plus 5y again get multiplied with 9x plus 5y get multiplied with 7y. Now 4 first multiply number. 4 9s are 36. X into x is x square. 4 7s are 28. X into y is xy. Now 5 9s are 45. X into y is xy. And 5 7s are 35. Y into y is y square. Now 36x square. 28 plus 45 73. XY remain as it is. 35y square. This will be the answer. We'll do this sum by sharing my whiteboard with you. Wait a minute, student. So if anyone is having doubt, the doubts can be solved. Okay. Wait a minute, students. Yeah, yes, Tanvi, I will repeat this sum again. Please pay attention now. Okay. Okay. Now the question was what? Question was 4x plus 5y, right? Wait a minute, student. Now the question was 4x plus 5y, 4x plus 4x plus. Screen is visible to you, everyone? Please let me know. 4x plus 5y, okay, into 9x plus 7y, into 9x plus 7y, into 9x plus 7y. Okay, this is the question, right? Now 4x plus 5y Students, please let me know the screen is visible. Whiteboard. Yes, and the voice is clear to you. Okay, voice is clear and the screen is visible. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for your confirmation. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Now the question was 4x plus 5y. Okay, 4x plus 5y. Okay. Into 9x plus 7y, I think so. Yes, 9x plus 7y. 9x plus 7y. This was the question, right? So question is 4x plus 5y plus into 9x plus 7y. So when 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y, these kinds of questions are there. So what happened? This 9x in previous problem, the question was 4x plus 5y into 9x like this, है ना? ये 7y वाला term नहीं था उसमें, ठीक है? तो same ही problem है. तो 9x will get multiplied to this 4x plus 5y. So first of all, this 9x get multiplied to 4x plus 5y. Okay, and then this plus sign will remain as it is. This plus sign will remain as it is. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे minus sign होता था तो यहाँ पे minus sign आता था. क्योंकि यहाँ पे plus sign है तो हमारा plus sign carry forward होगा and the 7y term will remain as it is. Now it get again multiplied to this 4x plus 5y. Okay, this 4x plus 5y. ठीक है. This 9x get multiplied because your multiplication term is there. This bracket is getting multiplied to this whole bracket. Now 9x get multiplied to 4x plus 5y and this 7y get multiplied to 4x plus 5y. Okay. Now 9x will get multiplied to 4x. Okay. अभी ये 9x जो है वो 4x को multiply होगा. So 9x get multiplied to 4x, right? Plus again this 9x get multiplied to what? 5y, right? 9x get multiplied to this 5y. Okay. Now plus this 7y get multiplied to 4x get multiplied to this 4 plus this 7y get multiplied to 5y, right? 5y. Okay. Now 9x into 4x. First multiply number. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 36. X into x is how much? X square. Okay. X into x is how much? X square. Wait a minute, student. So So 36, this 36, 9 4s are 36. First multiply numbers, 9 4s are 36. So 36 x square, right? Plus 9 5s are, now here 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. First multiply number and then variable. 45 xy, okay? Plus 7 4s are 28. Okay, so 28 will remain as it is. And this x into y means what? Xy plus this 7y into 5y. 7 5s are 35. Okay, and y into y means how much? Y square. Okay, y into y means what? Y square. Okay, y square. Now 35 y square. Now the answer is what? 36. 36 x square will remain as it is. Okay. Now 45 xy plus 28 xy. These two terms are very similar to each other, right? Variables दोनों के क्या है? Same है. Okay. So 45 plus 28 is how much? Let me know in chat box. 45 plus 28. On when we does the multiplication, addition, whatever, so that time we first add or multiply numbers and then variables. Okay, very good student. 73. So 45 plus 28 is how much? 73. And 73 xy, 45 xy plus 28 xy is equal to 73 xy plus 35 y square. This is the answer. 35 y square. Very simple sums actually these are. ये 9x, this 9x get multiplying to this 4x plus 5y, and then this 7y get multiplied to this 4x plus 5y. Then 9x into 4x means 9 4s are 36x square, 9 5s are 45xy, then 7 4s are 28xy, 7 5s are 35, y into y square. Whenever the multiplication is there, first multiply numbers and then variable. First multiply number. Now, sorry. So 9 4s are 36x square, 9 5s are 45xy, 7 4s are 28xy, plus 7 5s are 35y square. Now 36x square will remain as is. 45xy plus 28xy is equal to 73xy plus 35y square remain as it is. So this is the answer. Okay, understood everyone? Understood? I hope everyone understood this. Okay. Yes, yes. Siddhi Tiwari is saying bracket to bracket get multiplied to the whole bracket. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. I hope everyone understood this. I hope everyone understood this. Yes. Harshada, very good. Siddhi, very easy. Very nice. Tanvi, everyone is saying yes, teacher. Okay. I have repeat this again. I will repeat this again. Okay. Please pay attention, everyone. This 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. First, this bracket get multiplied to the whole bracket. First 9x get multiplied to 4x plus 5y. Then 7y get multiplied to 4x plus 5y. Now 9x into 4x plus 9x into 5y plus 7y into 4x plus 7y into 5y. Okay, now 9 4s are 36, x into x, x square. 9 5s are 45, x into y, xy. 7 4s are 28, y into x means xy, plus 7 5s are 35, y into y means y square. Now this 36x square will remain as it is. Now we can see that two similar terms which can be added. 45 plus 28xy. Now 45xy plus 28xy is 3xy plus 35y square. This is the answer. I hope everyone's doubt is clear right now. Yes, very good, very good. Thank you very much everyone for your response. The responses are actually very good. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's do another sum. Wait a minute, student. Okay, so our third sum has been done. Our fourth sum also has been done. So I hope everyone understood this. Let's get practice for practice set 36. Okay, because the first sum is very similar to practice set 33. Okay, practice set 33. Like for example, 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. So this 3x minus, we will do this sum by here I have solved it by horizontal method. So just try it for vertical method. 3x minus 11y. Dhananjay, your doubt was there. That doubt will be clear when please pay attention. So the doubt is regarding to the like this sum. Okay. Now 3x minus 11y. Okay. Minus 17x plus 13y. 17x 17x प्लस 13y. ओके, सिमिलर टर्म्स उसके नीचे ही दूसरी सिमिलर टर्म आएगी. नाउ 17x plus 13y. ओके, नाउ wait a minute student. Okay, now here when we do subtraction, this plus sign is converted into minus, and here plus sign is there in front of 17. You can see it. So 17, तो यहाँ पे plus sign जो है वो भी minus में हो जाएगा. Now minus 11, minus 13, minus minus plus, right? So but the sign we give, that is bigger number, that is minus 13 के आगे. 13 is bigger than 11, so minus sign will be there. Okay, now 11 plus 13, 11 plus 13, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. So here it will come 24y. Now x remain as it is. Now plus 3 minus 17, plus minus minus. So 17 minus 3 is what? 14, right? But the sign of bigger number, which sign is there in front of 17? Minus. So minus sign is there. So minus 14x minus 24y. बट ये माइनस 14x एंड माइनस 24y तो ऑप्शन हमारे पास है ही नहीं. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी विल टेक कॉमन 14 और 24. तो कौन सा ऐसा टेबल है जिसमें 14 भी आएगा और 24 भी आएगा? इट्स कॉमन एज 2. So 2 sevens are 14. Minus will take minus 2 will be common. 2 sevens are 14. Here it will come 7x. Now minus into minus plus होता है तो here it will come plus sign. And 24 को अगर 2 से divide करते हैं तो आंसर आएगा 12. So 7x plus 12y. So the answer is minus 2 into 7x plus 12y. Okay, in this sum only because of the option this is 14x 24y is not there, so we took 2 as common. Okay, when we took 2 as common, minus 2 as common, तो minus 14 की जगह पे minus 2 into 7 means minus 14 होता है. तो here 7x minus 2 into plus 12 means minus 24 होता है. So minus 2, if we take minus 2 as common, तो यहाँ का तो minus चला गया 14 के आगे का, यहाँ पे plus 7x बचा. इसके आगे का भी माइनस हमने कॉमन ले लिया है तो उसके आगे क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ प्लस साइन. तो प्लस 12y. Here why we have taken plus sign instead of plus 12y instead of minus 12y? Because here our minus sign will be taking common minus 2. यहाँ का भी माइनस 2 हमने कॉमन लिया है, यहाँ का भी माइनस 2 हमने कॉमन लिया है. सो माइनस 2 अगर गया है, माइनस साइन यहाँ का हमारा कॉमन में गया है ब्रैकेट के बाहर, तो हमारे पास क्या बचा? सिर्फ प्लस साइन. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या बचा? सिर्फ प्लस साइन. सो 2 sevens are 14. X will remain as it is because x we have not taken as common. Now 2 12s are 24. Okay, here again minus we have taken out as common. So what is left? Only plus sign. So plus 12. Y will also be there because y we have not taken as common. So minus 2 will be taking common. Minus 2 we have taken common. So here minus, if minus sign we have taken as common. So what is left? Only plus sign. So plus 7x. Minus sign have taken as common, so what is left? Only plus. So that's why here plus 7x and plus 12y we have taken. Okay, understood everyone? So this option is correct. Option D is correct. Okay. Question number 2. Practice set 35. That is many of the students are saying that teacher, you have not solved question number 2. That is the homework for you. Okay, that will be homework for you. So that's why I have not solved that sum. But still, for your understanding, we will do that sum again. This sum understood, everyone? Question number 1, practice set 36. We will do question number 2 of practice set 35. Okay, but first tell me, have you understood this question number 1 of practice set 36? Yes. Okay, good, very good. Okay, many of the students from your side are attentive. Whenever the teacher asks question, they give the response suddenly. Okay, quickly they give the response. That is very appreciating student. Okay, now the product of this, after this question number 2, we'll do question number 2 of practice set 35. Okay, now product of, whenever product of is there, product of, that means multiplication is there. Okay, so 23 x square, then y cube, x square y cube, and sorry, z. Okay, into minus 15. Minus 15, what the term is? X cube y and z square, means x cube y and z square, right? X cube y and z square. So when we do multiplication, what we does first, what we do multiplication of what? We do multiplication of what when we do multiplication of algebraic expression? What we does when we do multiplication, what we do first? We multiply numbers first. We multiply number first. So 23 get multiplied with minus 15. First 23 get multiply with minus 15. 23 get multiplied with minus 15. And then we will do multiplication of variables. So x square y cube z into x cube y z. I will tell the easiest method to solve the expression. Now 23 into minus 15 is how much? 23 into minus, because the product is there, no? Product is there. Whenever the product is there, multiplication. Okay. So multiplication. So when we do multiplication, 23 into minus 15 is how much? Let me know in chat box. 23 into minus 15. Yes. Minus 345. Okay, minus 345. Correct, minus 345. When we do multiplication, we do multiplication of number first. So 23 into minus 15 means what? 345, minus 345. Now do the multiplication of variable. Now x square into x square. X square का term x square के साथ multiply होगा, right? X square will multiply to x square. This x square term get multiplied to x cube. Now यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, तो क्या होगा? 2 plus 3 is x to the raised to power 5. Now here y cube is there, here y is there only. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So y raised to power 4. And here 1 z is there, and here how many z's are there? 2. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So the answer is what? 345. X raised to power 5, y raised to power 4, and z raised to power 3, means z cube is the answer. First multiply numbers, that is 23 into minus 15, that is equal to minus 345. Okay, this x square into x cube means x raised to 5, because 2 plus 3 4 5. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So 23 into minus 15 is equal to minus 345. X raised to power 5, y raised to power 4, z raised to power 3. So this is the answer. I hope everyone clear regarding this? Yes. Okay. Everyone is saying yes. Thank you very much for the confirmation, students. Now let's do the sum of question number 2 of practice set 35. Okay, here question has not been there. So let me share my whiteboard with you. Okay. Okay. Question is what? A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter. The rectangle is 8x plus, the rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long. 8x plus 5 centimeter. Okay. 8x plus 5 centimeter long. Okay. And 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. So here 8x plus 5 is the length of rectangle. Length is equal to 8x plus 5. And its breadth is how much? Broad means breadth. So breadth is what? 5x plus 3. Okay, the question is a rectangle of 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Find its area. Now, do you know the formula for area of rectangle? Just let me know in chat. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Yes, length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into, sorry, length into breadth. Okay. Now, what is the length for area of rectangle? What is the length? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is how much? Length is how much? Length is what? 8x plus 5. So here it will come 8x plus 5. 8x plus 5. And breadth is what? Breadth is, wait a minute, student. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so you have to multiply this 8x plus 5 into 4x, 5x plus 3. Now let this answer is when this 8x get this 5x get multiplied to plus 3 plus 3 get multiplied to 8x plus 5. Okay, so thank you very much everyone.